Hi y'all, today we're gonna be doing a valid palindrome. Is it easy? We're gonna be using a left and a right pointer to check if each character is the same. So first we make our pointers 0, length of s minus 1. Yeah, and we use this while loop while the left and right don't cross. While they don't cross, we gotta check if it's an alpha numerical character or not. So S at L if dot is num. If it's not, then we just wanna increase our pointer, our left pointer. And if the right side is not, we wanna decrease it. Then once that, we gotta check if each character is the same. So if S oh yeah, and we gotta convert it to a lowercase. Does not equal S at oops S at R dot lower. If they're not equal, then we just return false. Then we just do the regular of increasing and decreasing the left and right pointer. L plus R minus 1. And once that goes through, we'll check the conditions and like we're just gonna return true.